Welcome to the Image Manipulation Applications for Classroom Print Materials by the Merrieth English program. In this video, we're going to go over PhraseIt. Just to give you a quick roadmap of this training, I will first discuss what PhraseIt is, then how to integrate it into the classroom. I'll then show examples and walk you through a tutorial. Access at www.phrase.it, where you can upload your own photos to create a comic strip or a single photo with a word bubble. As a first step, you can choose whether you want to upload a photo, import a picture from your Facebook account, or if you want to work on a random photo from their stock photos, which are all high definition. You can then use their online image editor to drag and drop different speech bubble clip art onto the photo. Write some text into the bubble, and you're done. It really is that simple. As a little extra, you can apply different filters, which can add a cool and nice looking vintage style to your pictures. You can also arrange multiple photos to one single cartoon strip. This feature turns PhraseIt into a full-fledged comic strip generator. After adding your speech bubbles to the photo, you can choose to save your work. PhraseIt will then provide a unique page for your picture, which can be accessed by any web browser. On this page, you will find functions for sharing the image with your friends on the most common social networks. You can also download the rendered picture in high resolution to your local hard drive. The best part is that no registration is required, and it can be used in an unlimited amount of times. Also, PhraseIt offers an optimized version for mobile devices. Whether you're using an iPhone, an iPad, or an Android, PhraseIt gives you the same great looking results. The best part is you can directly take a photo with your device camera and add speech bubbles to it instantly. For doing this, choose the option Upload an image from your device and then Take a photo with your camera. Ways to use this in the classroom. You can select a picture as an assignment and have a student tell a story based on a picture. This is kind of a flipped learning style instead of having the student tell a story and then draw or choose a picture based on their story. It's an opportunity for creativity to read into the picture to tell a story. This is what the homepage for PhraseIt looks like. It really is simple and easy to use. There are three options when you go onto the website. You can upload a photo from your device, import from Facebook, or use a random stock high-definition photo. This is an example of a single picture that I added a word bubble to. This picture was from the random image generator. This would give an opportunity for students to become creative and tell a story based on the picture. Here you see the picture is in high def, and then I did make a vintage filter on it, which I will show you in the tutorial. The next example is a comic strip where you can add multiple photos to tell a story. These are a few pictures that I actually found off the internet of a squirrel. You can see that it tells a story where the squirrel is first sleeping and then eating, and then notices that he is late and then he starts running off. It just gives an opportunity to tell a story, and it's pretty fun too. And next I'm going to do the PhraseIt tutorial. Alright, we're just going to go to phrase.it. This is the home page that I had just shown you. We're just going to use a random stock photo. The pictures have been pretty good. There hasn't been anything that I would be worried about showing kids. It's pretty safe. And this was the random picture that was generated. If you don't like the one that they have generated for you, you can actually change it, and we'll show you some of the other options. They're mostly animals, but sometimes you get something different. Alright, and then you see here that these are your bubble images. And we're just going to choose this one. And we're going to say, I wonder if I am good if I will get a treat. And these icons here, you can actually just completely remove the speech bubble. You can rotate it, you can change the font, and you can also resize. So we're just going to resize, and then you can move it. And there's your picture. Something else too you can do with the filtering. You can just change it just to give it a little bit of a different effect. I do like this one, so we'll keep it like that. And then if you go here to images, it shows the original image here. You can also rotate it. And this is how you also create a comic strip. So if you wanted to create a strip, you would just click add another image and then do the same thing. The one thing that I did notice is that if you use a stock photo for your first photo, that is the only one that you can use for a comic strip. If you want to add an additional photo, it has to be from your own library. So once you have your image created, you just go to preview and save. And it does give you a preview here, and you can actually email it to yourself and it'll give you a link to download. You can also keep it private, so if you do upload your own picture and you add a speech bubble but you don't want it floating around the internet, you can make it private. But we're just going to keep it this way and click save it. Okay, now you see we could post it to Facebook, we can share it on Twitter, we can directly download it, and it also gives us the option to send it as an email. It does ask for donations, but you don't have to. You can say maybe later, or you can just ignore it altogether. We're just going to click download image for free. It's down here asking me if I want to save it, and there it is. If you like this tutorial and would like to learn how to make a Phrase-It comic strip, check out the Phrase-It comic strip supplement in this series. Thanks for watching.